The anticipation for Samsung's next major event is growing as the Galaxy S26 series approaches. Although there are still a number of conflicting dates for the launch window, the hints are constantly flowing in. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's new wallpapers have already been posted online for everyone to try, so that's where things start to get interesting. Finding new wallpapers is addictive, and the Ultra set of 6 seems like a preview of what Samsung has in store. Ice Universe has come in to corroborate tipster Daryl Man Mikey's claims that these designs were seen right inside the Ultra's software. The fact that each wallpaper comes in a different tint may be a clue to the Galaxy S26's final color possibilities. In addition to a deep gray or black that corresponds with the most recent extreme color claims, there is a vivid orange that we first noticed in previous S26 Plus leaks. Although we don't yet know how Samsung intends to divide these among the 3 models, the backgrounds are enough consistent to be part of the same family. One distinct theme unites all 6, a bold S positioned in the center. Although it feels familiar, Samsung has improved it. The latest iteration emphasizes a glass-like appearance, which was originally alluded to in early One UI 8.5 leaks. Another noteworthy element is that it may subtly allude to enhancements made within the S26 series, or it may emphasize the new transparent visual design. Whether it's smoother wireless charging or more sophisticated AI functions, Samsung's current flagship non-foldable device, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is available in an amazing range of colors. Jet black and titanium black are 2 stylish possibilities if black is your style. Titanium black blends a black panel with a silver frame, giving each a very distinctive feel, while jet black dazzles with a completely black panel and frame. Ice Universe on X claims that the black version of the Galaxy S26 Ultra will have a black frame instead of the titanium black of the S25 Ultra. This small but effective change gives the display bezels a stronger, more noticeable appearance. Samsung isn't restricting your options, though. Titanium black and jet black are the 2 black alternatives that are still available, same like before. Both may have black frames, but you can anticipate that the hues will be very different, offering you a new twist on the traditional black. And we now have a better idea of what might be coming because of 2 new leaks. Universe Ice, a well-known leaker, has released 2 comprehensive specification lists for the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.